I am super excited to be setting up my Hauslane WM-530. I've spent the entire year cooking a lot more at home and realizing that I had to air out my home a lot more. I mean, windows being open, the smell of food that's in the air all the time. And I was like, you know, I really need to take the time to invest in something that's gonna allow me to focus on just cooking. One of the benefits about ordering online was how simple and clean the user interface was for the website. It was so easy to find the product, pick the products, view very detailed pictures of the products. I knew exactly what this was gonna look like before it even got to me. The ordering process was so simple and straightforward. Just a few clicks and boom, the range hood was at our house. Here it is, with the sleek stainless steel, the simple design, but I mean, just look how nice it is. It says here that this can be installed by one person and the setup looks pretty simple, so I'm feeling pretty confident. All right guys, so I just finished up setting up my Hauslane WM-530 and it has been amazing. That 3-speed fan setting is everything. The LED lighting can also be switched out for different colors. So if you're like me and you want to get back to the idea of just a family dinner without worrying about having to clear the smoke out of your kitchen, I highly recommend the Hauslane WM-530.